Hello, my unboxing friends. I do hope you are well today. My name is Christine, and I am back with another unboxing for Mint Mongoose. Now, if you're not familiar, Mint Mongoose is a monthly jewelry subscription. All in, it cost me $16.99. You get 3 pieces of jewelry. You set a profile to specify the tone of the metal that you would like, whether you want rings or just earrings or no earrings or things like that. Now also, what she does is she sends emails all the time with specials that are going on, and they are really, really good. So now I did take advantage of one of those sales this past month, and it should be in here. So let's go ahead and see what I got this month. Inside you will find, let me just double check. Sometimes she slips things in there like this. But inside you will find your Mint Mongoose envelope. She always includes a really pretty card. This time it's a nice foggy early morning, I would say, in the forest. And then on the other side it specifies what pieces that we got this month. Let me go ahead and open this one first. All of the jewelry comes like this. Now this was an extra. I paid $6.99 for these, I believe. $5.99, something like that. And these are a gift, and I am so glad that they came today because I'm leaving tomorrow for 4 days. And these are a gift for my daughter-in-law. Just look at them real quick. They're so cute. They're little owls. They're little studs. Aren't they cute? Gold, black, rhinestones, clear rhinestones. Very cute, but she loves owls. She has a gigantic owl tattooed on her leg. It is stunning. And so I saw these on special, and I thought these are very cute. She just may like those. Okay, now let's get into my envelope, if I can get it open. Let's see. Oh, here we go. And then, oh, I think this might be another free goodie. Look at that. It looks like a rope that's been waxed. I don't know what those are called. Yeah, that's really pretty. Very cute. Has the sliding. But yeah, it's like a leather, or it's a rope that's been waxed. It looks like leather. Is it leather? I don't think it's leather, but it looks like leather. Yeah, look at those. Those are nice. Yeah, and that kind of matches what I've got going on today. There we go. Very nice. And then this is what you get each month. This is where the 3 pieces are wrapped. I don't know how she gets these to stick. I mean, does she use like a glue stick or something? It's just oh, this might be one of my pieces, actually. think it might be one of my pieces. I'm not sure yet, but I think it is. So this is what it looks like when it comes out. I'm going to go ahead and unwrap these and I'll be right back. Okay, so I did get them unwrapped. I do believe that this is one of my pieces. And here are the earrings. You know, they do look a lot like the earrings we got last month that were pink, but they are different, but they're just similar. And it has like a moonstone in there. That's what I think. And then this one, here is the necklace that matches. Now I have to say, I don't know if you'll be able to see it. There's a dot. There it is. Can you see that dot right in the center of the stone? It's orange. I don't know where it came from. Is it nail polish? I mean, what is it? I tried scratching it off. I can't feel anything. So I think it is in there. But anyway, there is the necklace. It always comes with an extender with the Mint Mongoose emblem on it. Let's go ahead and put that on. There is the necklace. Come on. I know it's there. What? I don't even know how to put an earring on, for gosh sakes. You think you'd... I mean, it should be just close your eyes and just do it, right? Okay. Finally. I like them. But again, they are very similar to the set we got last month. There we go. Cute! So there is my set for this month. I do have to say, oh, and a little piece of candy. I do have to say that, again, these are very similar to the ones we got last month. So I'm not too crazy about that. I do like the design. I think they're really cute. I don't think this orange dot is supposed to be on there. I do wish sometimes, though, that the earrings would be a little bit bigger. They always seem to be about this size or smaller. And it would be nice to have a larger earring, I think. But overall, for $16.99, you get 3 pieces of jewelry. That averages out to about $5.66 each piece, which is very reasonable for decent jewelry. So I can't complain too much. I am happy with the set. I think they're very pretty. I really like these stones. I think those are cool. Those might actually make pretty earrings. And anyway, I'm thinking of changing it. So that is my order for Mint Mongoose for April 2022. I'm very glad that you came by today. I do hope you have a great day, and I will see you soon.